In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can archive all your WhatsApp messages at once. Archiving your WhatsApp messages is like keeping a digital scrapbook of your chats. It helps you save important conversations and contacts, making them easy to find later. To do this, simply head into your WhatsApp. This is how your chat page looks like when you have archived all your messages. Simply head into your WhatsApp settings. On the settings page, select onto this option of chats. You will then navigate to the very end and select onto this option of Archive All Chats. When you tap on Archive All, your messages will get archived at once, and your chat page will look empty. This streamlines your chat interface, promoting better organization and making it simpler to manage your digital communication effectively. That's how easy it is to archive all chats at once on WhatsApp. If you have any questions regarding to this tutorial, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.